after using the back for 2 minutes. All the way, good for 2 points and a foul. What a shot! After using the back for 2 minutes. All the way, good for 2 points and a foul. What a shot! Coach Jeric, pag-usapan natin ang team standing nila dito sa bracket A. Pareho 1-1, 1 win and 1 loss. Kaya very important game sa both teams dito kasi kung patitingnan natin ang quarterfinals format,
so talagang
top 4.
This is a must win for each team.
Yes, very important yan. Pero gusto natin pasalamatan muna Coach Jeric, our Bucal executives, our founder emeritus, Father Danilo Imperial, President Engineer Mario C. Villanueva, Vice President Roel Rosales, Secretary Don Rason, siya rin pa ang Tournament Commissioner, si Sir Don Rason, Treasurers Joseph Eric Claro, Auditor Dwight Alamid. And mamaya babanggitin natin yung mga Bucal executive. Pero Coach Jeric, pag-usapan natin ang previous games ng CSPC Blue Stallions at ng ACC coming from a loss. Pareho pati natalo ng defending champion, Naga College Foundation. Yun, ito Coach Jeric, kung makikita mo kung paano sila natalo, ang the same team na ito, it's all about the turnovers. 40 turnovers for CSPC. Yun, makikita natin, masamang ano yun.
Oo, very talagang visible yun sa kanilang laro.
Oo.
Turnover.
ACC, 24 turnovers din. Doon sila medyo talagang kung bakit yun ang outcome ng laro. Then, eto pa, Coach Jeric, sa stats natin makikita ang 3-point shooting field goal percentage ng CSP is 9%.
Outside the arc.
Outside the arc. And 2 points is 38.4.
So, all in all, Coach JR, sa shot selection, offensively, medyo nangangapa every team na pala natin.
Okay, pero bago yan, Coach Jeric, pakinggan muna natin ang courtside reporter all the way from AMANDO College ng bench, Kim. Kim, kumusta? Ano ang atmosphere dyan sa ACC?
But thank you, JR and Jeric, coming in from a defeat from their matchup against the NCF Tigers last October 15. The ACC Green Serpents are back here at Ateneo Gymnasium to wrap their opponents up with their slithering comeback game winning system. With 1 win and 1 loss standing, the ACC Green Serpents will make sure that this game will be added to their win record, knowing that they were able to spend the past weeks working on their lapses and set plays. Ako po si Kimberly Dialanes, your courtside reporter for the ACC Green Serpents, ang magatid sa inyo ng mga dugout scoops at courtside stories for this afternoon. JR and Jeric, I was able to talk to the team captain of the ACC Green Serpents, and he said na yung pagkatalo nila kontra the NCF Tigers last October 15 ay there's this good shed of blood from that defeat dahil doon mas na nalaman nila yung mga lapses nila at mga pagkukulang nila at mga points na dapat nilang i-improve. Kaya naman we'll look forward to that if they will be able to integrate those improvements for this game. I'll be back for my first report. That's it for now. Back to you, JR and Jeric.
Thank you, Kim, sa napakagandang report. Coach Jeric, ang coming from a loss, makikita natin, it's all about adjustment. Ano masasabi doon sa analyzation ng ACC?
So, napakaganda dun sa ACC kasi talagang tinanggap nila yung loss nila as talagang gracefully talaga pinag-aralan nila kung ano yung dapat nilang i-adjust sa prior dito sa next game nila. At yun nga, maganda yung first tip ng ating courtside reporter about sa adjustment ng ACC.
Okay, napakinggan natin Coach Jeric all the way from ACC. Pakinggan naman natin all the way from CSPC bench, Miss Kailin. Kailin, kumusta dyan?
Thank you, JR and Jeric. And good morning sa inyo at salamat ng sumusubaybay sa Bucal Season 4. And we are here at Ateneo de Naga University Gymnasium at dito magaganap ang laban ng ACC Green Serpents at CSBC Blue Stallions. Hi, I'm Kailin Ernia and I am your courtside correspondent for the CAMARINES Polytechnic College's Blue Stallions. So during their trainings, head coach Peter Barcelon emphasized the 41 turnovers that the players committed during their last game against the NCF Tigers, and this served not only as a lesson but also a motivation for them to bounce back and do better in this game. That is the update. Balik sa inyo.
Thank you very much, Kailin, Coach Jeric. Makikita mo pareho coming from a big loss. Ano ang kaya napag-usapan ng CSPC coming to this game?
Yes, sabi nga ni Kailin sa pakakapanayan niya kay Barcelona, ginagawa nilang lesson kung ano ang naging talo nila. So paras din ng ACC, Coach JR, na dapat mag-bounce back sila dito kasi it's a must win from magkabilang team talaga, Coach JR. So titingnan natin kung sino talagang mamamayagpag dito.
Okay, we are live here at Ateneo de Naga University Gymnasium for our first game offering. It's CSPC Blue Stallions versus ACC Green Serpents. It's ACC ball, pero tinawagang Coach Jeric ng pamming the ball. Dati-rate, yung mga ganyan traveling, minsan nadadala pa rin ng player during practice hanggang dito sa real game.
Yes, and first tip, galing sa jump ball, Coach JR, talagang kinapitalize yun ng ACC. At ito nga, may points tayo, 5-0 sa ating first quarter.
Eto ngayon, wala pa rin conversion dito ang CSPC. All the way is number 2. Ito ang aabangan para sa ACC, Coach Jeric, si number 2, si Nagar. Ito naman, na-rebound ng CSPC. Number 2, penetration, binalik. Pero nandun yung depensa. Makikita mo yung hustle ng both teams dito, Coach Jeric. Talagang varsity form.
Nagar is a player of BCL, kamakailan, Coach JR.
Oo. Talagang isa yan sa mga batikan na naglalaro para sa Albay. We have a timeout called by CSPC Blue Stallions. 5-0 ahead ang ACC with 8 minutes 8 seconds. We will be back for this Bucal Season 4 only here at GNN TV 48 Naga. Using the block. All the way, number 2 makes in a foul. are back live here at Ateneo Dinaga University Gymnasium for your Bucal Season 4. Coach Jerry, ano ang kailangan na gawin ng Blue Stallions dito para makascore kagad sila ng quick?
So ito kasi Coach Jay, this CSPC, masyado silang nagmamadali dito. So siyempre, dapat i-set nila yung pacing nila. At ito nga, kakagaling lang sa inbound, turnover yung nakuha nila from timeout na nangyari. So,
Oo nga, pero yun ang pinakamahirap sa isang coach. Galing ka sa timeout tapos turnover. Pero nakakonvert na naman doon ang ACC.
yes, that's why what I'm telling Coach JR, masyadong nagmamadali ang CSPC sa ginagawa nilang basketball. Talagang hindi nila pinipace yung basketball nila.
Yun, ito, babalik ang bola sa Green Serpents. Ayun na naman, Coach Eric, yung tinatawag natin kanina. It's all about panning the ball.
Yes,
Ang iba tinatawag dyan, traveling.
Iba kasi yung dribble na yung overhand na dribble, Coach JR. So akala nila yun ang tamang gawin, yung overhand cross na tinatawag.
Oo.
Yung ginagawa nila is palming.
Palming,
So literally naka-up yung palm.
Hindi pa rin makakonvert,
Oo,
Coach
hindi
Eric.
pa rin.
Hirap na hirap sila.
Sayang yung layup.
Pero ang setting ng ACC kasi, it's all about a 3-4 trapping. Doon, kaya talaga nagmamadali din yung Blue Stallions na i-convert yung 2 points. Pero ito, naka-man zone ang Blue Stallions, intercepted. Doon, ito, mamana sa Blue Stallions ang bola. 7 against 0, 7 minutes to 2 seconds. Mahirap sa isang team, Coach Jeric, pag nabaon ka, hindi ka naka-convert. Iba
Yes,
pa yung confidence doon.
3 minutes ang nakalipas sa first quarter and still empty ang offense ng CSBC Coach JR. Medyo kailangan lang nilang i-pace talaga. So,
Gandang follow-up. Yun. It's a second chance points coming from number 0, Nyanggal.
Nyanggal.
Oo, Nanggar. Pero Coach Jeric, unang point ng CSPC, tatanungin natin ang courtside reporter natin, si Kailin, all the way from bench ng Blue Stallions. Kailin, kumusta dyan?
JR and Jeric, the first quarter of the game, the Green Serpents, the Blue Stallions are still motivated to win this game, and advice lang ni Coach, shoot lang nila ng maayos ang play, and they should remember to minimize their turnovers. That is the update. Balik sa inyo.
Thank you. Kailin, eto talaga Coach Jeric. Basic sa coach yun, minimize your turnover.
Yes. Talagang back-to-back turnover yung nangyayari sa CSPC. Ito nga, maganda rin yung ginawa ng number 0. Talagang nakipagsabayan, talagang hassle sa bola.
Ito number 35, penetration, pero may whistle. It's inoffensive foul. Tinawag kay Moran. Ito Coach Jeric, si Moran, player mo to eh.
Yes, si Moran is underrated siyempre pala dito sa CSPC. Talagang siya yung parang big man pala dito.
Oo. Pero ito, kick out, corner shot. Sabi ko na sa iyo, Coach Jeric, ito ang aabangan nila, yung number 2
Yes.
ng Amando Copican.
Nagar.
Si Nagar. Ito, na-steal na
Ito,
naman.
agaw na naman.
Pero, number 0 ng Blue Stallions. What a Euro step.
Ang ganda ng pagka-layup
Scoop shot.
doon, number 0.
Pero Coach Jeric, pasalamatan natin ang sponsors natin.
Yes, we would like to thank our sponsors, Naga College Foundation, Mariners Polytechnic Colleges Incorporated globally, Competitive Shoes, Mariners, Congressman Gabby Bordado of 3rd District, National Grid Corporation of the Philippines, Cafe Amigo, Pichileros Resort, Camper Viaje, Flowers and Beyond, Own Style Graphic Design Services, AETAS, Department of Tourism's Region 5, SM City Naga, World of Water Lemon Residences located at Magsaysay Avenue, Legacy, Nagayon Traveling Tours, NCF Driving School, Converge ICT Solution, NCF Training Pool, Cap Azon Peñaflor, NCF Wings, because tigers can have wings, Mangkok's Kinalas, Kape ni Manoy, Doña Osang Catering Services.
Thank you sa ating mga sponsors and GNN TV48 Naga. Yan, ito ang nag-offer ng live coverage natin. For Coach Jerry, kung mapapansin mo, nag-adjust ang both teams Pero still, it's a 1-2-1-1, 3-4 trapping. Intercepted all the way for 2 points. Yan talaga, Coach Jeric, if hindi mo ma-deliver ng tama papunta sa inyong front court, mangyayari talaga ang mga turnovers and easy points. Eto rin, pinag-uusapan natin si Moran for 2 points. Nakahintay na lang siya doon sa...
Yes. Oo, at ganun talaga nangyayari din talaga sa part ng defense. Talagang masyado kang aggressive. Meron din times talagang nabibit kayo. Pero so far, Coach JR, ito yung talagang bread and butter ng ACC. Yung press talaga nila. Zone press, pero maganda yung concept nila ngayon sa first quarter.
Ito, Coach Jeric, pasalamatan natin ang SBP Naga Elite Referee headed by Sir Eman Paraon. Ito, ang referee natin, si Ricky De Leon. Pero ang table officials nila, Ronnie Maleniza, Adit Paraon, Bong Julia. Deputy Technical Head, Sir Jim Cadores. Ito si Sir Jim Cadores, kilala natin. Patagal na natin talaga sa SBP to.
Oo naman.
Maraming salamat, Naga City Elite Referee. ACC 15, CSPC 8 with 4 minutes and 30 seconds. It's number 2 now. Corner trap double yun, Coach Jeric. Pero at least nakita niya yung Aabangan din ditong pumutok, Coach Jeric, sa Blue Stallions yung number 1. We have a 3 points.
A 3-point shot coming from number 35. Maganda rin yung pagkasunog nila doon sa
Number 2, dribbles the basketball. Ano mapapansin mong defense ng CSP? It's a broken man-to-man. Kikita mo yung Coach Jeric.
A bailout shot. Grabe yun. Pero sakit ang ulo yun sa Coach JR.
Matured basketball ang tawag doon. Alam niya yung nangyayari. Pero unti-unti na nakakahabol ang Blue Stallions dito.
But still, yung approach nila sa offense, Coach JR, hindi pa rin nagbabago. Ganun pa rin, Coach JR. Talagang maganda rin talaga yung offense na binibitawan.
Eto, outlet pass.
Eto na naman.
Yung turnover talaga. Makikita natin mamaya pag nagbigay na ng halftime stats ang ating stats team. Makikita natin. Pero ito, Coach Jeric, 17 against 13 lamang ang ACC. Pakinggan natin ang court reporter all the way from the bench of Green Serpents. Kim, kumusta dyan? Ito, babalikan natin si Kim dito. 3 minutes, 8 seconds. Hindi pa rin nagbabago yung defense dito, Coach Jeric, pero still adjusting pa rin ang Blue Stallions natin. Ito, babalikan natin si Kim from Green Serpent bench. Kim, kumusta?
Yes, JR and Jeric, the ACC Green Serpents are off to a great start as they establish good starting points for our first quarter. Nakakalamang man, pinaalalahanan pa rin ni Coach George Berse ang Green Serpents ng kanilang team chemistry, revealing that the Green Serpents played individually and not as a team during their recent game. Isa sa mga rason kung bakit sila natalo. But as we can see right now, there's no doubt that the Green Serpents are hustling, communicating, and combining their efforts, having them lead the scoreboard so far dito sa ating first quarter. But that's it for now. Back to you, JR and Jerry.
Thank you, Kim, sa update all the way from Green Serpents. Coach Jeric, napaka-importante ng team basketball.
Yes.
Ito ngayon, pinag-usapan kanina, team basketball, medyo iba yung linaro ng ACC. Naka-adjust na ang Stallions. Pero eto ngayon, Coach Jeric, we have a timeout called by ACC Green Serpents. We are live here at GNN TV 48 Naga with GNN Sports TV. We will be right back. Short after using the back. seconds after using the bat for 2 minutes. All the way, number 2 makes him a foul. We are back live here at Ateneo de Naga University Gymnasium for our Bucal Season 4 first game. It's Green Serpents versus Blue Stallions, kung saan naman ang Green Serpents sa ating first period. Coach Eric, makikita mo, coming from a timeout, ano kaya ang magiging adjustment ng Green Serpents dito?
Ito Coach JR, talagang nakahabol yung CSPC because of yung ACC, sinabayan masyado yung kung anong klaseng laro yung ginagawa ng CSPC.
Tama ka dyan, Coach Eric.
Turnover, magkabila, medyo mahabol na rin yung ACC. So, after the drop, after the press ng ACC, turnover din yung pinapalit nila.
Yun, very good analysis yung Coach Eric, kasi kung ano ang laro ng Blue Stallions, yun din ang nilalaro na ng Green Serpents. Kaya kung makikita natin, humabol all the way talaga. From 10 points lead, 9 points na lamang. Pero unti-unti, nag-time out si Coach Verses. Ito si Coach George Verses, matagal na tong coach ng ACC. At ang pagkakalam ko, siya din ang may-ari ng school.
Oh.
Pero ang talagang pinagkatiwalaan ni Coach Verses dito na mag-handle ng team, si Coach John Rodriguez. Yan, batang coach yan. Pero dito naman sa CSPC Blue Stallions, ito bagong management to, Coach Jeric, with Coach Pete Barcelon and with the rest of the guys ng CSPC. Si Coach Gab de Vera nandyan.
Yes, strength and conditioning ng CSPC ngayon. So tingnan natin kung anong magiging set ng CSPC.
Number 1, ganda ng ball handling ng number 1.
Yes, maganda ang mga talents ng eto naman, Coach JR. Turnover na naman, sayang na naman yung position ng CSPC.
Pero makikita mo, Coach Eric, yung offense ng Blue Stallions, may pagka-triangle sila all the way from strong side to weak side attack. Pero ito, favorite yan ng number 0, yung open court basketball.
At ganun talaga yan, nangyayaring offense talaga ng number 0 talaga. Talagang
grabe yun.
Ititira talaga, parang siya yung may green light talaga dito.
Makita mo yung tira na yun, fade away siya. Bayan.
Talaga.
Nyanggar! Ito ngayon, corner na naman. Wala. It's Blue Stallions basketball with 52 seconds sa ating first period. 21 against 17. We have a good game. 4-point lead ng Green Serpents.
Ito Coach Jay, in terms of personnel, ACC medyo lamang sa height and sizes talaga dito. But they are settling sa behind the arc ang offense nila, kumbaga. Yes, Coach Jeff.
Tama, Coach Eric, yung pagkakakita natin. Siguro makikita natin yung adjustment sa third period.
At ito nga, Coach Jeff, tingnan mo. Saan bumabawi ngayon ng CSPC? Because of the long bounce coming from a long shot, tinatakbo talaga ng CSPC.
Oo, kaya makakita kayo sa mga coaches out there, sa mga nakikinig sa atin. Binabati natin yung mga viewers natin sa FB Live. Hello po sa inyong lahat. Ito, Coach Jeric, tama yung sinasabi mo na transition basketball ang ginagawa ng Blue Stallions. Ngayon, pag hindi pumasok ang outside shooting, doon kinakapitalize ng Blue Stallions. It's a long bounce talaga.
Yes, sabi ko nga sa iyo, Coach JR, na in terms of personal, medyo lamang talaga ang ACC. So, kung halimbawang ikaw, player ka, parang magsisettle ka most of the time sa mas high percentage na area.
Yes.
So, yun nga, nangyayari sa behind the arc sila na tumitira, yung offense nila, doon sila nagsisettle. But the transition defense ng ACC medyo nahuhuli, Coach JR.
Yes, 1 second remaining sa ating first period, Coach Jerry. Mag-i-inbound ang CSPC Blue Stallions dito. Eto na yung mga panatiko sa inbound play. Makikita natin 1 second. Eto.
Yun. But foul is given para dito sa CSPC.
Yun ang gusto mangyari ng coaching staff ng Blue Stallions. It's a 2 free throw. Wala na tayong oras. Hihintayin natin ang dalawang free throw ng Blue Stallion player. Yun lang, Coach Jeric. Pero
Ayun
ito,
medyo nagpapainit pa siguro si 35. Pero ito yung naka 3 points talaga kanina.
si Belgeca,
Oo,
James
Belgeca.
Angelo. Yun, wala. 2 free throws. That's the end of our first period. 21 against 19. 2-point lead. Green Serpents. This is your Bucal Season 4. We are live at Ateneo de Naga University Gymnasium. And this is your GNN Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. We will be right back. Shortstopper using the back. We are back live here at Ateneo de Naga University Gymnasium sa ating first game offering, ACC Green Serpents versus CSPC Blue Stallions. Second quarter na tayo, Coach Jeric. Ito, bola ng Blue Stallions. Number 45, thinking for 3, no good. Yun, Coach Jeric din. Ang outside shooting percentage kung saan pinag-usapan natin the last games laban sa NCF Tigers ang Blue Stallions, it's 9%.
Oh, wow.
Yun. Ito, Coach Jeric, coming from the first quarter, all the way from bench ng Green Serpents. Pakinggan natin ang courtside reporter, Kim. Ito, babalikan natin si Kim kung anong pinag-usapan ng Green Serpents. Pero Coach Jeric, ano ang adjustment na nakikita mo dito from both teams?
So for Coach JR, ang adjustment pa lang na nakikita natin dito is in terms of defense. So nagpalit na rin ng CSPC from zone and sinusubukan nila ang man. Pero yung defense pa rin ng ACC is pares pa rin ng first quarter. So pressure defense, mapa manto or a 3/4 quarter na zone. So ito pa rin. Pero ito, tingnan natin kung anong magiging effect ni Acabado dito sa ACC.
Pumasok na si Acabado. Pero Coach Jeric, all the way from the bench of ACC Green Serpents, pakinggan natin ang courtside reporter natin. Kim, take it away.
Yes, JR and Jeric, the Green Serpents are doubling their efforts right now considering na nakakahabol na ang kabilang kupunan. Kaya naman payo ni Coach George Berse na huwag mag-over-dribble ang Green Serpents and they should maximize their assist opportunities. Dagdag pa ni Coach George, the team also needs to work on their offensive rebounds dahil yun yung nakikita ni Coach na kulang ngayon sa Green Serpents. Dahil nakikita rin ni Coach George na mostly zone ang ginagamit ng kalaban. Kaya naman for the remaining minutes of this quarter, the Green Serpents will use 3/4 trapping. Yan mo ng latest dito. Back to you, JR and Jeric.
Yan, thank you, Kim, sa update. Coach Eric, what can you say?
Yes, tamang-tama yung report ni Miss Kim, Coach JR. Talagang kahit sa ating pag-uusap, talagang ganun na ganun ang ating napapansin dito. Pero ito nga, shifting defense, CSPC, medyo hindi pa rin nakaka-establish kung anong gagawin talaga nila dito. Kasi medyo masyado silang na babother sa 3/4 talaga ng ACC, Coach JR.
Yan kasi ang siguro ang transition offense ng CSPC, doon sila kumukuha ng lakas. Pero ngayon may depensa, medyo nag-a-adjust talaga sila. Ito inbound play coming from end line. It's number 13 to number 1 to number 7. Ito, strong side to weak side, outside shooting, the same result kanina. Outlet pass all the way. Buti na lang, Coach Jeric, yung transition defense ng number 35 nandun.
Maganda rin yung naisip ni number 24 ng ACC, but a little bit too late, Coach JR. Masyadong nagsayang ng segundo.
Nag-dribble pa kasi siya.
Bago siya pumasa.
Very basic yun, Coach Jerry. What an alley-oop play from end line ng ACC. Clear na clear yun.
It's because the zone moving yung kanina, Coach JR, wala pa yung bola. Ang ganda pa naman ng pull-up jump. Number 0 ngayon ang bumubuhay dito sa CSPC, Coach Jerry.
Oo, talaga. Best player yan, Coach Eric, na nanalo sila ng first game nila, si Nyangar, number 0. Pero intercepted, number 13 now. Pass to number 1.
Nawala ng bola doon siya.
Number 35. Yun nga eh.
Oo.
Hindi niya alam kung i-dribble niya or ipapasa niya eh. So, pakinggan natin ang update all the way from bench ng Blue Stallions, Kailin. Kailin, ano ang napag-usapan ng CSPC Blue Stallions?
JR and Jeric, nakita nga natin na humahabol na ang Blue Stallions in this quarter and we can see that the Green Serpents are getting a little bit pressured sa performance na itinatapon ng Blue Stallions. They pressure us, we pressure them. Ika nga ni Head Coach Peter Barcelon. Yun lamang ang update. Back to you guys.
Coach Jerry, na sinabi ni Coach, they pressure, we pressure. Oh, yun, magkakatalo tayo.
Ma-pressurean tayo. Yun. Ano nangyayari? Kung sino yung matibay sa pressure, kung sino yung maka-adjust agad at maka-cope sa pressure, yun ang panalo, Coach JR.
Papasok na dyan, Coach Jerry, yung conditioning.
Yes. Lalo na dito sa part ng ACC din. Kasi siyempre, all the way first half, naka-press sila.
Oo, kaya sabi natin sa basketball is all about preparation.
Yes.
Kung sino talaga dito ang nag-prepare, yan talaga ang mananaig.
Talagang tamang-tama yung sinabi mo, Coach JR, talaga.
Number 13, kick out, overshoot it. Ito naman, Coach Eric. Yung makikita mo wala masyadong offensive rebounding ang Blue Stallions. One shot, wala na talaga.
Ayun nga yung pinag-uusapan natin, Coach JR, kanina about sa set ng CSPC. Kasi yung nangyayari dito, after ng kung makaagaw sila or galing sila sa trap, pag nakakita na sila, pag nakalusot na sila, ang gusto nila idiretso talaga yung bola.
O yun ang sinasabi ni Coach versus sa report ni Kim, ang ating courtside report na they are not securing their offensive rebound. We capitalize our rebound and push the basketball. Yun ang gustong mangyari ni Coach versus. Kaya makikita mo dito, corner shot. Paborito nila ang corner shot.
Yes. Anyway, Coach, maintindihan mo yan eh. Kung in terms of selection talaga pagdating sa long shot, a corner is really hard
to defend.
Yes.
Kaya talagang doon nila pinipili.
And tingnan mo, malapit ang 3-point territory ng corner, di ba?
Ito hustling for the ball. Number 1, drop step. And 24 second shot clock.
Naabutan ng 24.
That's what you call a good defense coming from Green
Yes.
Serpent.
So talagang pinapaisip nila yung CSPC kung anong dapat nilang gawin. So, parang gusto nilang isettle, mas gusto nila sa labas tumira yung CSPC. Magandang concept ng ACC dito. Magandang defense.
It's 6 minutes and 15 seconds sa ating second period. What a drive by number 0 all the way from the elbow, right side elbow, Coach Jerry. Makikita mo yun.
Medyo tentative yung defense doon, Coach JR.
Nag-hesitate kasi siya kung magdi-defense siya, go for the man o go for the ball. Yun ang nangyari sa kanya.
And yung defense talagang masyado nang late sa rotation. Nasa likod na, Coach JR. Talagang
Unti-unti nang humihiwalay dito ang Green Serpents. Pero we have a good basketball game.
It's because, Coach JR, they are attacking the basket now.
Yung Green Serpents.
Yes, panaka-naka, meron din silang perimeter shooting, but most of the time, ang offense nila, kinukuha na nila sa loob.
Ito, completed the 3-point play ng number 0. It's Galvez Grant Carl.
At ito nga, nag-3-4 sila, the pressure. Ito, gusto ng ACC yan. Kung halimbawa si Moran, ang big man nila ang kumukuha ng bola.
Makikita mo na ang depensa, man-to-man na
Yes,
ang Green Serpents. It's number 33, Moran, looking for his teammate. Number 35, penetration. May tawag ang referee doon.
There's a foul, but wala pa rin conversion, kumbaga. So, mahihirapan pa rin sila sa free throw, Coach J.
Pero napaka-importante ng player. Ito pag-usapan natin. Ang lateral defense, it's a good defense kung maglalateral ka na hindi ka magkukumit ng foul.
Yes. It's a basic fundamentals kasi para sa basketball defense ang lateral movement.
And still, Coach Jerry, hindi pumapasok ang free throw ng Blue Stallions.
Isa pa yan.
Ito, second free throw ng number 35, Belgeca. Ito yung naka 3 points na nabanggit natin kanina. Siya rin na nag-free throw ngayon, pumasok na.
Yung kanina nag-free throw din siya.
Dalawa, end of regulation.
So ito, CSPC pressuring the defense din talaga para dito, pero
ayun, corner na naman. Penetration, kick out, number 0. No good. Na-rebound.
elbow shot ni number 0, medyo a clear shot, hindi lang nakapitalize talaga din.
Pero magandang offense
Ito.
sana yun.
Turnover na naman talaga, Coach J. Ito yung talagang pumapatay sa CSPC, Coach J. Yung pressure from 3/4 quarter talaga ng ACC.
After the 3/4 na trapping ng Green Serpents, man-to-man sila
Hey,
pag
back,
nakalampas.
half-court man.
Half-court man. Ang ganda ng conversion. Pero ang Blue Stallions, man-to-man na din sila, Coach Jerry. Kung
Yes,
makikita mo.
sinusubukan nila
Half-court.
yung
Half-court man-to-man.
defense na ganyan.
It's number 0. Penetration, drop step, kick out, penetration, hop step. What a move!
Ito kasi, Coach J, sa ACC, ang offensive concept nila is a little something na dribble drive.
Yun. Pero galing from strong side to weak side attack.
So they want to dribble the basketball para papunta talaga, para mag-commit yung defense sa center, sa mid, and then i-kick out sa labas. Then drive ulit para sa...
Ito naman, free throw na naman, Coach Jerry, ang Blue Stallions. Hindi talaga nila napapasok yung free throw nila. It's something na ipo-point out yan mamaya. Sigurado ng coaching staff ng Blue Stallions.
So kung matitingnan natin, Coach JR, ang free throw ng attempt ng CSPC.
Marami na silang ito. Pero still, manageable ang lead na to. 34 against 22.
Yes.
12 points.
Masyado pang maaga.
Maaga pa talaga.
Masyado pang maaga.
It's akabado ito, Coach Jeric. Makikita natin hindi pa pumuputok dito sa akabado. Overpass it. Number 35 gets the basketball. Dribbles.
At maganda yung ginawa ni number 2 doon, si Cheng. Talagang na-recognize niya yung help defense doon na talagang siya ang nakaagaw pa ng bola.
Kick out ulit sa number 35. What a rebound! Hindi lang na-convert.
Grabe yung hustle talaga, number 2. Ito ngayon, ACC number 13 dribbling the ball. Ito haras to number 0, muntikan na yun.
Corner ulit. Eto, may rebound, hustling for it. scrambles for the basketball.
Pero hindi pa rin. Naku,
Hindi nila nakuha.
sayang nga naman para sa CSPC.
It's an end line inbound. Makikita na naman natin dito yung pamoso ni Coach versus na inbound play. Nakita natin kanina. Ayun na naman. Wala siya
Pineke pa ni ano yun eh.
number 33. Walang kapaguran yung players na to. I-commend natin.
Yes,
Both
yes.
coaching staff. Kung paano nila prepare ang kanilang players. We have a held ball.
Talagang hindi lang talaga masyadong nako-convert ng CSPC ang mga pagkakataon na meron silang possession talaga.
Ito, possession araw tayo. Coach Jeric, mapupunta sa Green Serpents. Kung maalaman ng FB Live viewers natin, araw possession, wala na tayo yung jump ball.
It's a FIBA rules ng talagang ito, dribble drive na naman. Coach
Number
kicks it out.
7, Sakolo. Pass to number 0. It's Galvez. To number 7, Sakolo. Penetration, no good.
Ito si Sakolo, parang player din to ng BC. Championship League mo, Coach J.
Ang gandang tira nun. What the...
Ito si
Nyanggar.
Nyanggar na
Ibang klase din na
may offensive threat talaga.
It's Nyanggar gets the rebound. Siya na ang nagpupunto. Siya ang dumidepensa. Siya pa ang nagre-rebound.
Oo.
What a player. Pass to number 35.
Tingnan
Penetration.
natin. Medyo alanganin yun,
Oh,
Coach J.
wala siyang angle eh.
Oo, pero yung number 23 ang Acabado, tumingin lang sa bola. Yung tip-in ng
Sayang
rebound.
yun. Eto na, all the way. Babawiin niya ngayon. Kaso talagang hindi niya nahawakan yung bola.
Pero maganda pa rin yung pagkapasa ni Acabado.
Oo, alam niya, aware siya sa nangyayari. Pero yung transition defense ng Blue Stallions,
Okay, maganda yung
kaso nag-foul si Morandon.
Oo. So kung titingnan natin, Coach J, medyo talagang nasusubukan ngayon ang conditioning ng
Both teams.
dito sa part ng JR.
Na napaka-importante kasi kung paano mo i-kondisyon, i-prepare, naaayon sa system mo. Kasi kung hindi mangyayari yung conditioning mo, hindi yan tutumpak sa basketball system na gusto mo mangyari.
Yes.
Pero makikita mo, pagod na pagod ang player pero nandun pa din.
Talagang dito kasi sa part ng CSPC talagang pinipressure ka in terms of sa defense. Tapos ito na naman, hagahabol sila sa puntos.
Yeah. Ito wala yung...
Tapos naaagaw ang bola dito, hindi pa nila nakukuha yung second.
Doon magaling ang Green Serpents, the offensive rebounding and second chance points.
Yes, talagang doon sila pinapatay din ang ACC, Coach JL, pagdating sa second chance points.
Ito, from strong side to weak side attack, pero jump shot, overshoot it, pass all the way
Sakulo.
for 2 points. Yan ang laro ni Sakulo.
If I'm not mistaken, Coach JL, siya ba yung player ng Glupa?
Glupa Builders.
Oh.
We have a timeout called by Blue Stallions. We will be back for our Bucal Season 4 live here at GNN Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. using the clock. All the way, number 2 makes in a foul. We are back live here at Ateneo Dinaga University Gymnasium. First game pa lang, sobrang intense ang ganda ng basketball natin. Green Serpents versus Blue Stallions. Coach Eric, 38-24, lumamang na ng 14 points ang Green Serpents. Anong nangyari?
Yun, Coach JR, ang defense ng ACC. Ganun pa rin, Coach JR. Mula ng first quarter. Pero dun nga, sabi mo sa kanina, Coach JR, yung pumapatay sa offense ng, sa defense ng CSPC is yung agaw, yung second chance points.
Ganun na nangyari.
Oo.
All the way from interception, turnover ng Blue Stallions. Ito, number 2, dribbles the basketball.
So, ito, ibinaba pa lang ACC sa Diamond Press yung zone
From
press nila.
3-4 to Diamond Press half court. Ibang klase yung adjustment ng Green Serpents.
Ito talagang pinipressure talaga ni Coach Versus talaga na.
Ito, dribble drive na naman, Coach Eric. Half step, kick out, nag-abang si number 5. All the way. Penetration. Ito, kinakapitalize nila yung...
Yan ang problema doon, Coach JR, na talagang masyadong na-overpass.
hindi, walang intention for go for offense. Pero ito, Coach Jerry, kickball. Swerte ng Green Serpents doon. Pamala na yung oras. Green Serpents, basketball, number 13 now, directing the play. Dribbles the basketball. Ayun na naman. Sabay pati tayo doon. It's all about panning the basketball.
Yung ginagawa kasi ni number 13 kanina pa. Yung nagpa-pump siya, pero may yung parang katulad
binubuhat niya.
Katulad kasi ng mga NBA players natin, Coach, may hip swivel na tinatawag. Pero pinapump niya yung bola.
Number 77. Hirap na hirap ang Blue Stallions doon sa first up, sa primary offense nila. Number 2, what a shot!
Ito maganda yung pinakita nila dito. Parang naka 4-out-1 ang offense ng CSPC. Hand-off, multiple hand-off, tapos drive to the basket in middle.
25 seconds ang natitira sa ating second period. Let's see kung makaka-point pa dito. Take! Ito, tatawagan ng traveling. It's all about the pivot foot, Coach Eric.
So
kaya nagreklamo sila.
May nakita doon, siyempre,
si Ref Bunanong.
Referee Bunanong. Talagang hindi makakaligtas sa mga mata ng magagaling na referee natin.
Gaya ni Ronnie Malinisa.
Inaabangan din natin yun. Siyempre, tumatumbling pa ba yung
10 seconds to end the second period. Moran all the way. Strong move.
Sayang yun.
Number 5 now.
Pero same offense. Eto na yun.
That's the end of our second period with 40 against 26. 14-point lead ng ACC Green Serpents. This is your Bucal Season 4 live at GNM Sports TV. Liga ng mga kampiyon. We will be right back for our halftime analysis. Shortstopper using the clock. All the way, number 2 makes in a foul.
Camarines Sur Polytechnic Colleges, and I will be your courtside reporter this Bucal Season 4. Before, na-involve talaga ako sa sports since bata pa ako kasi may asthma ako and yung swimming ko is nakatulong siya as a therapy for my asthma. Then, once I entered elementary, nagkaroon ako ng interest sa paglalaro ng volleyball. Then, I continued playing volleyball until high school. So, you guys will expect me to be with you in this season of Bucal and ihahatid ko sa inyo ang mga balita na nangyayari all throughout the game.
Mas pinalinaw, mas pinalakas, mas pinalawak. Ang GNN TV 48 Naga, digital na! Kung ang inyong TV sets ay digital ready na, pindutin ang scan o search channel button at makikita ang GNN TV Channel 48. Maaaring gumamit ng indoor o outdoor antenna para sa mas klarong panonood. Ganito rin ang gagawin kung kayo ay gumagamit ng digital box. Sa mga susunod na araw, asahan ang mga programang malapit sa puso ng mga Bicolano.
Naghahanap ka ba ng one-day printing? Look for AET Ads. We offer tarpaulin printing, billboards, panflex, laser cutting, and stainless for quality signages and many more. Your signage is the face of your business. Kaya ano pang hinihintay mo? I-level up mo na ang signages at billboard mo. Matatagpuan sa Pabidon 4, Door 5, Panganiban Drive, Naga City, in front of Boy Scout and Girl Scout of the Philippines. Sa Central Branch, located at Barangay Dinaga, Naga City, Salbay, Barangay Sagpon, Daraga Albay. For inquiries, you may call or text at 205-5322 or 0998-952-7485 and look for Mr. Willis Soliman. AET Ads ka na, your one-day quality printing. Magsama-sama tayong magbalitaan at kwentuhan dito sa GNN TV 48 Naga.
Hi everyone, my name is Kimberly Dialenes from Naga College Foundation, your courtside reporter for Bucal Season 4. I am a student journalist, a student leader. I also like taking care of my cats and visiting coffee shops. I am so thrilled and excited to be one of your courtside reporters for this season of Bucal. Kaya naman, samahan po ninyo ako para sa mga updates, diskusyon at mga silip eksena at the courtside for this season of Bucal.
Sa oras ng sakuna, isa sa mga kailangan natin sa ating tahanan ay isang gubag. Ang isang gubag ay naglalaman ng tubig, mga dilata at biscuits upang hindi tayo magutom, energy bars o energy drink, first aid kit, communication devices tulad ng flashlights at batteries, whistles o pito, portable radio at extra cellphone. Mas mabuti kung meron tayong prepaid load guard. Tools tulad ng Swiss knife at gunting. Maaari din tayo magdagdag ng lubid. At huwag natin kakalimutan ang hygiene kit na naglalaman ng sabon, tissue, toothpaste, toothbrush at face mask. Sa lahat ng oras, laging bukas, nakahanda ang aming tanggapan. Tandaan, ang Bicolanong alerto, pirming protektado.
Sungunyan niya ako digdi sa World of Water. Oh, wow, sungunyan hihilingon ta po ang machine. Located at Dorque Doña Elena Building, J. Miranda Avenue, Naga City. Owned and managed by Mr. Albert Ian Infeliz. For inquiries, call or text 0947-592-6867 or 0995-146-4011. Wow! World of Water, your water treatment partner! This event is brought to you by Naga College Foundation, the home of the champions. Enroll now for as low as 2,000 pesos. For more details, visit www.ncf.edu.ph. Lemon Residences, your newest home of the champions and the metro. Open for daily, weekly, and monthly bookings. Located at Magsaysay Avenue, Naga City. And enjoy a sip of coffee and Septus meals at Tiger's Cafe, located at second level of Lemon Residences. Dream travel? Achieve yan sa Nagayon Travel and Tours. Enjoy a hassle-free travel with Nagayon Travel and Tours. Visit their office at NCF Annex Building, Magsaysay Avenue, Naga City, or call us 0966-486-0043. At NCF Annex Building, there is the Tiger's Loft, a business center that first to offer a co-working space in Naga. Grow your business at the Tiger's Loft. Swim like a champion at NCF Training Pool. Avail their swimming lessons at a very affordable rates. Contact Coach Joseph Tena at 0949-447-2792. Drive with confidence with NCF Driving School. Avail their theoretical driving course and practical driving course. For beginners, NCF Driving School is LTO accredited.
We are back live here at Ateneo de Naga University Gymnasium for our first game opening. It's ACC Green Serpents versus CSPC Blue Stallions. I'm with Coach Jeric. Coach Jeric, pag-usapan natin halftime analysis. 26 against 40 lamang ang ACC. Saan lumamang at saan medyo may problema ang Blue Stallions?
Pero uunahin natin syempre, Coach JR. Ang turnovers natin is halos parehas. Parehas lang. Pero yung talagang nag-iiwanan sila dito is itong free throw and yung mga percentage nila and yung bench points ng ACC. Coach JR talagang
15
marami.
Against 4.
Oo, samantala dito sa CSPC is 4 lang.
15 sa ACC. Malaking bagay yon. Ang kanilang bench points.
Oo,
At
talaga.
eto pa, yung field goal percentage ng 3 points nila, it's 9% sa CSPC.
Para sa CSPC, wow.
Eto.
Talagang way
Pero
low
the
talaga.
same din sa Green Serpents, 2 out of 12 with 16%. Talagang hindi sila nagsushoot masyadong magaling sa 3 points.
Yun yan. Siyempre, makikita rin kasi natin na Coach JR talagang sa loob na. Anong sabing hindi masyadong magaling, Coach JR? Pinakitaan
Talking sa
tayo.
3 points, naka 3 points ang Blue Stallions dito.
Pinakitaan tayo ng CSPC ngayon sa 3 points.
Ito, number 1, drop step.
Ganon.
Yun talagang ginawa niya kanina, pinatanayan niya ngayon na walang traveling. Ito, 44-29. Pakinggan natin all the way sa halftime ang Blue Stallions bench with Kailin. Kailin, take it away.
JR and Jeric, the halftime here right now is disappointed in Blue Stallions' performance. But however, they are not losing hope in winning this battle. At advice naman ni coach that the players should trust the system, keep their composure, and learn when to pull and when to push from inside the hard court. And that is the update. Back to you guys.
Kailin, Coach Eric, trust the system. Ang
Yes.
gusto ng Blue Stallions.
And siyempre, that's very good on the part sa coaching ng CSPC to keep reminding the players kung anong anong philosophy ng team ng CSPC. Trust the system pa rin. Although talagang behind tayo ng score, so ganun ang sinasabi ni Coach Pete talaga sa mga players.
Napaka-importante nun kung ano ang preparation nila. Konting adjustment lang pero the same pa din babagsak sila sa basketball system.
Yes, but I believe it's a 6-0 run para dito sa ACC, Coach JR.
Eto ngayon,
Ayun.
natawagan ng traveling.
Magandang tawag na naman doon. Huling-huli si
Moran.
Moran. Not using the first step.
Dribble first, then
Oo.
saka ka mag-step. It's a number 2, number 15, to number 23, Acabado. Kanina pa tinatry talaga ni Acabado yung outside shooting niya.
Kung kilala mo rin kasi si Acabado, Coach JR, siyempre, di ba?
Legit shooter yan.
Oo, talagang kumbaga okay lang na tumira si Acabado talaga kasi kilalang shooter din talaga si Acabado.
It's all about the shooting touch. Yan pag ang recommendation natin sa mga ganyan, hindi po pasok Coach Jerry, you have to penetrate the basketball, go for a free throw.
Correct.
Para makuha mo yung tsansya. Gandang pasa yun. Sakolo.
Nako.
Kick out, swing ball, number 2, fakes, penetration, elbow, jump shot, no
Wala
good.
pa rin, pero gusto lang natin siyempre kung halimbawa sa ACC part Coach JR, go for the offensive rebound.
Yeah, oo.
Medyo nakatingin sa bola si Acabado yun.
Kung makikita mo yung rebound ng number 1 na CSPC, hinintay na lang talaga.
Yes.
Kasi wala naman siyang kompetensya eh.
Wala nang hassle yung ACC sa offensive rebound. Medyo napagod na siguro.
Ito, pasalamatan muna natin ang ating sponsor.
Yes, tapos ito, pasasalamatan natin si Mr. Herbie Aguas ng ito siya, yung Provincial Director ng Department of Tourism Region 5. Miss Kay Floriano of Camsor Viaje. Miss Mars Aliñante of Flowers and Beyond.
Yun. Maraming salamat. We have a timeout. We will be right back for our Bucal Season 4 TV, Liga ng mga after using the back. All the way, number 2 by Zena, foul! We are back live here at Ateneo Dinaga University Gymnasium for our Bucal Season 4 ACC Green Serpents versus CSPC Blue Stallions. Gusto natin pasalamatan Coach Jeric, ang ating SBP Naga Elite Referee. Maraming salamat po. 48-31, 17-point lead ng Green Serpents. Anong nangyari, Coach Jeric?
Jeff, pares pa rin. Siyempre, coming from transition ang ating kinuha ng ACC sa puntusan dito. Ito, error na naman, Coach Jeff. Turnover na naman. Number 7, penetrates. Shot para dito sa number 7 ng ACC.
Euro plus drop step. Pero Coach Jeric, nag-time out. Pakinggan natin ang bench ng ACC coming from our courtside reporter, Kim. Anong balita dyan, Kim?
Has JR and Jeric 14-point lead. The Green Serpents indeed finished the second quarter with dominance. Well, JR and Jeric, during the timeout, Coach George commended the team with a warm congratulations dahil napaganda raw at effective ng kanilang pinakitang full court trapping defense. Sabi pa nga ni Coach George, pagod na raw ang kanyang kamay kakapalakpak para sa kanyang team. Subalit Coach George also called out the unproductive ball possessions ng Serpents. Kaya naman sabi ni huwi ng atake, dribble, dapat ay larong matalinaw. That's it for now. Back to you, JR Jerry.
Salamat, Kim.
Gusto ko, Coach Jer, yung pagod na yung kamay sa kakapalakpak para sa team. Which is nakikita mo yung support and talagang yung commendation para sa players. Ito na naman, Coach JR, 14-0 run para dito sa ACC.
Grabe yun. Ibang klase yung runs talaga. Kaya nga, about doon sa report ni Kim, parang hindi na mapigilan ni Coach versus. Yun, naka 2 points na yung number 13 ng Blue Stallions.
Icebreaker ngayon para sa CSPC. Number 7, guarding by number 0. Hesitate. Number 23, Acabado.
Swing ball na sa number 2. Pero ito, matalinong paglalaro daw ang sabi ni Coach. Ginagawa ngayon ng Green Serpents. Inuubos ang oras.
Nagar. Ito, parang minamanin alam ni Nagar. Ito, back pass yun. Medyo
Delikado.
ano pa na yun para sa CSPC.
Number 0.
Moran.
Maganda yun na pasa. May passing pa si Nanggar.
Oo.
May puntos na, may depensa, may assist pa talaga.
Yes, talagang kung makikita mo, ginagawa niya lahat talaga kasi 3 points from Nagar.
Ito, rebound. Ito naman, Nanggar. Doon sa kabila, Nagar. Moran
ulit, back to back.
Dribbles the basketball. Passing the midcourt, it's number 2.
Medyo settle down ang offense ng ACC, Coach JR, kung mapapansin mo, at napuntusan sila ng 2 beses para dito sa CSPC.
Still, hindi pa rin pumapasok yung outside shooting ni Acabado.
Ayun nga, nagsisettle na. Medyo nakikitaan mo yan ng konting pagod. Eto, makikita natin, Coach JR, platoon of substitution.
Change 5.
Oo. So, tingnan natin fusion ng
pero bagong lakas, all the way, full court trapping pa lang.
Yan naman. So, nakikita natin kung ano talagang
plano
talaga ng ACC.
Ito, double. Materialize naman yung plano doon.
It's a basic strategy, Coach JR, di ba?
Dadalhin mo sa tabi.
Kumbaga, nag-substitute ka ng ganong personnel.
Sabi mo nga, platoon.
Ito naman sa CSPC, still on the floor, kung makikita mo, yung main gunners talaga ng CSPC.
What a drop step. Number 24.
Oo, so papagurin nila yung 5 talaga ng CSPC, and then babalik na naman nila sila Nagar, sila Acabado.
Ayun, nandun na naman yung depensa. Ito na para aware ang lahat. Ang ng Green Serpents is naghinang bola sa tabi, sa sideline.
Yes.
Then quick double and looking for a steal ang Green Serpents. Pero ito, pakikinggan natin kung ano ang balita doon sa bench ng Blue Stallions. We have Kaylin. Kaylin, it's 60 against 37. 3 minutes ang ating third period. Balikan natin si Kaylin. Kaylin, kumusta dyan?
JR and Jeric, the spirits of the players is still here and hindi nga napapagod ang Blue Stallions at mahaba pa naman daw ang oras para makuha ang momentum and dapat pa nilang pag-igtingin ang nilang box out defense. That is the update. Back to you guys.
Sa report mo. Ito, Coach Jeric, backs out, yan talaga ang wala nila kanina. Then, yung basketball system nila na transition, yun ang gustong mangyari ni Coach.
Yes, Coach JR, yun kasi ang nangyayari. Nakikita natin, medyo nakatingin na lang sa bola yung CSPC kanina, kung mapapansin natin. They are not fighting for the rebound. And talagang pinahinahayaan nila na makuha ng ACC ang second chance point.
Kaya pala tinakel ni Coach about backs out. It's number 8 now to number 2 to number 13. So number 35, ang ganda ng offensive for 3 points, number 35. That 3-point is brought to you by Bucal Season 4. Number 12. Number 0, yun talaga second chance
Yes,
points.
yung rebound na naman, number 24 para sa 3 points.
Iba yung ginagalaw ng number 24 dito. Very productive off the bench.
At yun, masakit yun, Coach JR. Tangkama second chance points talaga. 3 points pa yung pumanasa yun.
Number 13, nakaagaw na naman. Coming from pressure defense. Ayun na.
Wow!
Shooting a foul. 3-point play. Yun ang ibibigay sa Green Serpents dito. Talagang yung defense ng Blue Stallions, medyo scatter na sila ngayon.
At talagang nangangapa na sila in terms of closing out the shooter talaga, Coach JR.
Ito, 3 free throws ang number 24 dito. At before that, Coach Jeric, banggitin natin ang ating mga sponsors.
Yes, we would like to thank again our sponsors. Naga College Foundation, Mariners Polytechnic Colleges Incorporated globally, Competitive Choose Mariners, Congressman Gabi Bordado of 3rd District, National Grid Corporation of the Philippines, Cafe Amigo, Pichiletos Resort, Camsor Villaje, Flowers in Beyond, Own Style Graphic Design Services, AAT Ads, Department of Tourism Region 5, SM City Naga, Worlds of Water, Lemon at Magsaysay Avenue, Naga City, Nagayon Travel and Tours, NCF Driving School, Converge ICT Solution, NCF Training Pool, Top Azon Peña Floor, NCF Wings, because tigers can have wings, Mang Cox Pinalas, Kape ni Manoy, Doña Osang Catering Services.
Thank you sa ating sponsors. Pero Coach Jeric, habang binabanggit mo yung mga sponsors, naka-steal at all the way 2 points naman ang ACC. Ito naman yung pressure defense nila. Pinasok ni Coach yung mga bench niya to do pressure and transition offense. Fast break basketball. Side step, scrambles for the basketball.
I think Coach JR talaga dito sa CSPC, kung makapansin mo, they have to calm down. Kung baga galing sila sa pressure, ang gusto kasi talaga idiretso din yung bola.
Yun,
and do an offense na talagang pressured.
Another 3 points basket by number 13. Ito yung
Yes, ito yung
platoon kasi sinasabi mo. Iba yung production niya. Kaya tinakil natin sa halftime analysis kanina. 15 against 4 yung bench points.
And everybody hustling for a loose ball. And yung mga overhead pass na mga ginagawa ng CSPC talagang kinakapital na nila.
Makikita natin, Coach Jeric.
Ito, crumbs to, Coach JR.
Oo, nagka-crumbs ang number 77.
Oo.
Ang kinahawakan niya, Coach Jeric, yung paa niya. It's either natapilok siya or may something na bumangga. Pero get well soon.
Hopefully, talagang
hopefully
hindi naman
makabalik pa siya.
seryoso.
Oo. Yan ang kinakatakutan ng every player, yung injury. Number 35, Moran. Yun, may contact na.
Medyo pabor dun sa CSPC ang nangyari kasi na-stop ang pressure ng ACC. So, pwedeng magpuntos dito sa Moran.
Ito, ganda ng free throw ni Moran doon. 27 seconds ang natitira sa third period with 67-45. Pero ito, Coach Jeric, ang mentality ng teams habang hindi pa tumutunog ang final buzzer, may pag-asa pa yan. It's number 13. Number 99, crossover. Sabi niya, teka lang.
19 on the clock, Coach JR.
Number 13, penetration at tinawagan ng foul. 12 seconds remaining sa ating third period. Ito, inbounding the ball. Green Serpents. Right after this game, Coach Jerry, Annunciation Panthers versus Mariners Blue Dolphins. Magandang laban yan. Number 13, Black by number 8. Akala niya wala sa at drop step na naman, pero tatawagan ng traveling yun.
Masyado na overstep dun si
That's the end.
number 13. Lagi nagtataka sa number 13 kung bakit siya nakakolan ng mga violation.
That's the end of our third period. With 67 against 46, lamang po ang Green Serpents. This is your Bucal Season 4. GNN Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. We will be right back. Using the block. All the way, number 2 makes a foul. Using the block. All the way, number 2 makes a foul. We are back live here at Ateneo de Naga University Gymnasium for our Bucal Season 4. O Jeric, fourth and final period na tayo. Ano ang adjustment for Blue Stallions para makahabol sila dito? At ano ang gagawin ng Green Serpents para mapatigil nila ang kanilang kalabangan?
So far kasi Coach Jair, nakikita din naman natin ang ACC na talagang kaya nilang i-sustain ang ginagawa nilang type of defense dito. All the way fourth quarter dito, naka-press pa rin ang ACC. But CSPC Eto, kailangan nila every possession counts na dito para sa CSPC and talagang kailangan mong limitahan ang turnover.
Yun, tama. Yun talaga ang pinaka-focal point doon, yung limitahan mo or kung po pwede, wala ng turnover.
Yes.
At ma-shoot nila ang lahat ng ball possessions na makikita nila. Kick out, yun, traveling. Yun ang kailangan ng Blue Stallions ngayon, mag-commit ng turnover ang Green Serpents.
Dapat baliktarin nila yung momentum ng
para makabol
team.
sila.
Yes, ito to, Coach Jerry, ito na naman, naka...
Trapping, yun.
Ito.
Flying ball kasi yun, Coach Jerry. Ang gandang depensa.
What a block coming from Nyanggar.
Pero Coach Jerry, yun ang inaabangan ng Green Serpents, yung flying ball na yun. Kasi pag magandang flying ball, mabagal ang bola. I-compare natin sa straight pass. Rebounded. At least.
Naku, ito na naman. Defense.
Pero tatawagan ng traveling siya doon.
Oo.
It's a counter tone ang nangyayari ngayon sa both teams. Pero kailangan pumuntos ng Blue Stallions. Pabor pa din yan sa Green Serpents.
Yes,
Walang nangyayari.
Oo. Kasi hindi rin nakakatawid pa yung bola.
At hindi rin sila nakakashoot ng bola. Ito ngayon.
Ito, prepare tayo na naman ng CSPC dito.
Mabilis din ang depensa ng Green Serpents going for a double. Number 45 to number 0. Number 2 rather.
Pero hindi sila nakaka-penetrate, Coach JR.
Yun. Moran. Intercepted. Number 13 ngayon. Itatakbo ang bola. All the way din siya.
Oo, talagang medyo nagmadali doon. Grabe na yung giggle, number 13. Lagi siyang natatawagan ng violation. Kailangan pumuntos na siya, sabi niya.
Yun nga lang, nag-turnover.
Pero hindi niya nakita, 3 against 2.
2-2-1 trapping na
ito
sila.
na naman, Coach JR.
Gandang
What
trap
a
pass.
pass.
What a layup. Kung makikita mo, ang trapping nila, nag-iba na naman, 2-2-1 trapping. 73-43 with 8 minutes 22 seconds sa ating final period. We have a timeout called by Blue Stallions. This is your Bucal Season 4 live at GNN Sports at TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Magbabalik po kami. We are back live here at Ateneo Dinaga University Gymnasium. Fourth and final period, Coach Eric, nag-time out ang Blue Stallions para sa adjustment siguro nila. Paano nila tatapusin ang final period na ito?
Well, Coach JR, kasi yung problema na talaga nila, so yung kung paano nila itawid yung bola ng safe talaga, Coach JR. And then kung paano sila gumawa ng offensive system nila nang hindi sila nagmamadali.
Eto ngayon.
Tawid
Tawid nila yung bola.
Yes.
Number 0.
Ito.
Scrambles for the
Muntika.
pero totally intercepted ng player ng Green Serpents all the way. Number 13, wala. Nice rebound by Moran. Pass to his teammate. Coach Eric, hindi pa rin sila nakakashoot dito. Yun, nabanggit ko.
Oo.
All the way for a fast break too.
Pero kung matitingnan mo, Coach Jer, yung ACC, nandun pa rin yung intensity.
Bumabalik, nagta-transition din sila. Corner shot, rebounded by number 45. Ito, naghahanap na mapapasahan siya. The same, trapping pa din ang ginagawa ng Green Serpents. Number 0, number 33, yun. It's all about shooting the basketball. Yun, nakita mo yung reaction ni Coach versus doon. Sabi niya, lamang tayo, nagmamadali. Pero Coach Jerry, coming from a timeout, pakinggan natin ang courtside reporter natin, Kailin, all the way from bench ng Blues. Ano ang update dyan?
JR and Jeric, it is the last quarter and head coach Peter Barcelona is emphasizing that the players should not waste this chance to win this game. And the coaches are always reminding the players to calm down and keep their composure to not commit the same errors. That is the latest from my side. Back to you guys.
Thank you, Kailin. Coach Eric, the same pa din yung sinasabi natin. Yun ang din ang gusto mangyari kay Coach Pete. Huwag mag-turnover, mag-focus tayo, at huwag tayo magmadali.
Kumalma lang.
Oo.
But ito, Coach JR, in terms of defense dito sa part ng CSPC, medyo nakatingin na lang, Coach JR.
Ito ngayon, all the way. Yung trapping ng number 21. Papalitan na naman sila dito. Fresh legs ulit. Anong tawag mo dito? Magpapalit ng player.
It's a platoon of substitution, Coach JR.
Ngayon ko lang narinig sa'yo yun.
Yes.
Platoon of basketball. Titingnan naman natin kung ano adjustment ulit ng Green Serpents dito with the fresh legs. Pa din ang player ng Blue Stallions dito.
Yun nga ang disadvantage para dito sa CSPC.
Half court man to man ang gagawin. Pero nag-commit ng foul doon. Magdo-double siya eh. Nahuli lang siya eh.
And yung arm kasi masyado niyang ginagamit.
Okay, 75-47. Lamang pa rin ang Green Serpents. Kahit lamang sila, pakinggan natin. All the way from Green Serpents bench. Kim, kumusta? Ano ang update kay Coach Versus?
Jaren Jeric during the dugout na napuna ni Coach George na hindi daw maganda ang shooting earlier ng Green Serpents, but the boys changed that statement as they hustled to the end of the third quarter. Jaren Jeric, the Blue Stallions are doing loops, kaya naman the Green Serpents will do jump switch for this fourth quarter. Simpleng executions pero sigurado yan ang hiling ni Coach George sa kanya mga players for this final stretch. The boys also encourage each other to just enjoy the game and to keep hustling. Well, that's it for now. Back to the panel.
Kim, napakagandang update nun, Coach Jerry. During halftime analysis natin at halftime report, binigyan ng stats team yan ng kanya-kanyang halftime analysis. Nakita niya mahirap yung shooting, yung ginagawa ng Green Serpents. Kaya ganun ang nangyari, nag-adjust sila at gusto niyang i-capitalize nilang na enjoy lang ang laro at lamang sila.
At ito nga, Coach Jer, sabi nga natin na every possession counts talaga, pero hindi masyado napupuntos ng CSPC yung pagkakataon ng mga open shots.
Napakahirap doon sa part ng coaching staff ng Blue Stallions at hindi nako-convert kung ano ang plano nila dito sa game na ito. Simple basketball ang gusto naman ni Coach Versus dito. Execute the play. Ito na ang ginagawa nila. Step back, 3 points, overshoot it. Nandun na naman yung offensive rebounding ng Green Serpents. Number 7, pull-up jumper. What a shot!
From Sakulo.
Oo.
Ayun na naman, coming.
Akala ko idadunk ng number 1. Si Advin Kula. Number 35, tinatawid ang bola number 1 to number 35. Kung i-observe natin, maganda ang switching. Yan ang sinabi ni Coach Burns ayon sa report ni Kim kanina, the switching. Ito, number 7. Lamang talaga, Coach Jeric, ang fresh legs. Kita mo kung anong galaw ng bago, yun naman. intercepted naman ng number 33. Tatawagan ng foul si Amando. 79-51. 28 with 4 minutes and 10 seconds. Coach Jerix, bago tayo may magtutok about salamatan natin at TN, yung team mo.
Siyempre, gagamitin ko rin ang opportunity ko JR na manood kayo. Siyempre sa papalapit na tour na kay Congressman Migs. So, entertain natin.
Yan, entertain. Maraming basketball events na ngayon.
marami.
Pero kung makikita mo, Coach Jeric, ang Bucal, ito yung isa sa may tuturing natin na UAT-NCAA ng Bucal.
Yes.
Style of game. Very prestigious event ng basketball, ang Bucal. Dito matutunghayan natin yung mga prime ng collegiate varsity basketball players natin. Ito ngayon, number 1, paborito niya yung drop step na pala yun. Si Advin pala.
Parang dun siya kumukuha ng pump fake niya.
Ang momentum niyang i-shoot.
Samantala dito sa Acabado, medyo hindi natin nakikitaan na masyadong...
Pero yung defense niya nandun. Yan ang pinakamaganda.
Yun naman talaga si Acabado. Kung dati pang nakikita natin. Ayun, number 1.
Si Diang. Unang 3 points niya yun, pero the last games niya, ang ganda ng nilalaro niya ito eh. Number 23 now to number 1. Fakes. Grabing ano yun? Grabing galaw yun ni Sakulo. Strong side attack sa end line. Number 1, intercepted na naman ni Sakulo all the way for 2 points. We have a timeout called by Blue Stallions with 81-52, 2 minutes 56 seconds. This is your Bucal Season 4 live at GNN Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Magbabalik po kami. We're back live here at Ateneo de Naga University Gymnasium for our Bucal Season 4 first game, Green Serpents versus Blue Stallions. Mamaya, Coach Eric, Annunciation Panthers versus Mariners, Blue Dolphins. At ating third game, Wildcat CCDI versus the Tigers ng NCF.
Wow.
Magandang laban yun. And ang last game natin, Ateneo Golden Knights versus the USI Falcons. Ito, turnover coming from a timeout. Ito na naman, Coach Jerry. Banggitin mo na naman ang ginagawa ni Coach Menses.
Ito yung tinatawag nating no mercy.
The platoon substitution.
Pero maganda po sa part ni Coach Menses talaga. Kasi syempre, fourth quarter, 2:37 ang clock natin.
Oo. Applicable yan. Corner naman, the same routine. Off the bench, ganun din ang plays nila. Kitang-kita. Strong side attack, corner, 3 points for a conversion. Ito, Coach Jerry, kung mapapansin mo, pinasok na ni Coach Pete ang kanyang reserves at makikita na natin dito. Natatapusin ng Green Serpents. Okay? At 86-54. Coach Jerry, pakinggan natin ang quick update from Kailin from CSPC Blue Stallions. Kailin. We will be back for courtside reporter Kailin. Pero Coach Jerry, kung makikita mo, accepted na ng Blue Stallions na this is the game. Pero eto, may yung mga coaches na to, may studies to kung paano nila tapusin ang basketball dito. Pakinggan natin, babalikan natin si Kailin from the CSPC Blue Stallions. Kailin, anong balita sa coaching staff at players ng CSPC Blue Stallions?
JR and Derek, from the 5 substitutions that the players, that the coaches made, the coaches are exhorting the players to end this game in a positive way and to execute the game ng maayos. That is the update. Back to you guys.
Thank you, Kailin. Coach Derek, tama yung sinabi natin kanina na itong substitution na to in a positive way. It's a lesson. Yun ang gustong sabihin ni Coach Pete dito. Ito ngayon, grabe yung steal ng Green Serpents, pero nandun yung depensa. Number 45, sabi niya, ititira ko na to.
Oo, kasi wala nang pagkakataon.
Uulitin ko ito. Ang gandang release, hindi lang pumapasok. Number 5, layup, good for 2 points. Pero before mag-end ang ball game na to, Coach Jerry, pasalamatan naman natin, Coach Jerry, ang SBP Naga Elite Referee, ang GNN TV48 Naga, headed by their station manager, Sir Jerome Avanzado, and the rest of the guys. And ang stats team, napagagaling yan ng stats team na yan. Behind the scenes lagi. Eric, quick insights kung ano ang nangyari, kung bakit lamang ang ACC at bakit anong nangyari din sa Blue Stallions dito.
Yes, Coach JR, ACC, nakita na natin kung ano ang talagang, sabi ko nga, bread and butter nila. Start parang ng first quarter, nakita natin kung anong klaseng pressure ang pinakita nila. So, they are capitalizing yung situation na naaagaw nila yung bola, dun sila, tapos nagsisettle din sila para maminsan-minsan sa 3 points, pero inside points ang talagang nakukuha nila. Then, ang second chance points, Coach JR.
That's the end of our game. 92-56 lamang po at panalo ang ACC Green Serpents dito. Coach Eric, magbabalik tayo mamaya at abangan nila kung sino ang best player of the game. This is your Bucal Season 4, live at GNN Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Magbabalik po kami. After using the back, all the way, good for 2 points and a foul. back live here at Ateneo Dinaga University Gymnasium for our Bucal Season 4. Coach Jeric, natapos ang laro. Panalo ang ACC Green Serpents with a big lead. Ano ang thoughts mo doon, konti lang? Before natin ibigay ang best player.
Yes, in terms of defense pa rin, Coach JR, makikita natin na mas willing talaga yung ACC na ibigay lahat. Hindi sila nagre-reserve ng kung mapapagod sila o hindi, kasi naniniwala sila na mas prepared sila coming from this loss from yung nakaraan na game nila. Pero eto, binigay talaga nila lahat. First quarter to fourth quarter, Coach Jer, kung mapapansin mo, all the way trap ang ginawa ng ACC. So ito, medyo gulat na gulat yung CSPC dito at medyo nahirapan ang CSPC sa adjustment.
Ngayon makikita natin all the way from Kim, ang best player of the game. Kim, take it away.
Well, thank you, JR and Jeric. We are joined right now by our best player of the game from AMANDO College Green Serpents, player number 7, John Patrick Saculo, with 15 points, 3 rebounds, and 4 steals. All right, Patrick, first of all, congratulations. What a comeback by the ACC Green Serpents. What was it about today's game that enabled you to play so well?
So far po, nag-focus po kami sa defense po, sa trapping defense namin, and tig-execute po namin yung tinuturo ni coach na play, and yun po.
I agree with that dahil kitang-kita naman sa performance niyo kanina. Pero eto, Pat, what did you like best about your performance this morning?
Yun nga po, mas naging agresibo po ako ngayon, and yung previous game ko po, ang pangit, and bumawi po ako ngayon dito.
Alright. Eto, Pat, any shoutouts or greetings gusto mong pasalamatan?
Shoutout po sa family ko dyan sa Pulangi Albay po. Salamat sa suporta kay Mama, kay Papa Dags and Mama Malo. And sa mga teammates ko, salamat sa inyo sa tiwala ninyo. And sa coaches ko po, salamat po sa tiwala.
Any message for the ACC community?
And ACC community, thank you po sa suporta, and yun nga, sa walang sawang suporta.
All right, once again, congratulations to our best player of the game from ACC Green Serpents, John Patrick Saculo. Thank you, and we'll see you on the next games. All right, that's it for our best player of the game. This has been Kimberly Dialanes, your course reporter for the ACC Green Serpents. Back to the panel.
Thank you, Kim. Yun, Coach Jeric, number 7, Patrick Saculo, 15 points, 4 steals. Iba kay klase yung opensa at depensa niya. After using the back,